Hey guys, Derek here with the Closet Doctor, and we're just finishing off this install. It's a simple home office. They got 2 windows there. We've got a desk running all the way across, 2 work areas. And so what I'm going to show you right here and right here, what we do, we call it a kit panel. Let me show you how that works. So a lot of times in your workspace, you'll have wires for your monitor and things like that coming through, and they look ugly. And as what we do is we put a panel there. I'm just coming forward here. This panel is just on a couple of magnets. So just get 2 magnets there, magnet plate on the panel, and then it just slides into place, and it's there, and it's not going anywhere. And it hides all of your wiring and all your other crap that's back there. And also, if you kick it with your feet, it doesn't mark up the wall like your shoes would mark up the paint. So it's easy to clean, easy to get access to, and just makes stuff look a lot better. Nice little simple, easy add-on that we do to most of our home offices.